Hi, Reggie. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is mariahkwise, and today I am reviewing a great summer wig. This wig is the HARLEM 125 4x4 Swiss lace in the color 1B. It's in the style FLS10. So I'll leave that in the description box, and I will also leave the link to where I purchased this hair down there below too, so make sure you check that out. Today's look was inspired by Bonita Rebel. She does amazing hair reviews, so if you're ever like questioning a wig or you've never bought a wig and you really want to see somebody teach you the ins and outs, Bonita Rebel is your girl. This wig originally looked like this, and I got it to look like this. If you want to see how I styled my hair underneath this wig and what I did to this wig, the whole process, what products I used, then stay tuned. Okay, so this is the hair straight out of the package. It doesn't really have a weird smell like the last hair that I reviewed. I really am feeling this curl pattern. Yes, okay. Yeah, but no, for real though, I'm really feeling this curl pattern. So as far as cap construction, there are two combs in the front. There's also lace that goes from ear to ear. Then there's a comb in the back, and then there's also adjustable straps, which is nice. So the only product I really use is this Originals hair mayonnaise, which you can get at any beauty supply store. I ordered it off of Amazon, and I'm just taking a little bit and putting it in my real hair to slick my hair back into a low bun. So I'm just going through detangling and making sure that my hair is laying flat as possible. It's the last step I did, but if you wanted to lay your edges, you can do that here. You can see that there's a bit of parting space, and I can do a side part, I can do a middle part, whichever one. So I'm gonna just put this on, and I'm gonna leave about 2 inches of space where I can take my hair out, and I wanna make sure that I'm able to take out the hair on the side too. So I'm just gonna put in both combs in the front, just to make sure that the wig is secure. And this is definitely a wig that you're gonna have to put the combs in if you decide to style it this way. Lastly, I put in the back comb. I didn't have to adjust the straps at all, and I'm just gonna part the wig to a side part and see how that looks. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the hair right out here in the front that we left space for. So here I'm just parting my real hair to kind of match that wig part to make it look as natural as possible. And then I'm gonna take some of the hair product that I showed you guys, and I'm gonna put it in my real hair as well as the wig. This was my first time putting product in a synthetic wig, so I was like really nervous, but it ended up looking good. So I'm glad that I took the chance. So I'm just making sure I'm getting it from the top all the way through the ends, and I'm using a good amount of product. I ended up using about 1/4 of the jar. You just want to make sure that it's highly saturated. You're going for this wet summer look, so you can kind of decide how much you want to use. So you guys get the point. I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through. Just make sure you keep applying product until you get the desired look that you want, and just make sure you don't have any dry patches. Nobody likes dry patches, okay? It's synthetic, but it doesn't need to look synthetic. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I really love this hair. There's not a lot of tangling or shedding, and it looks very natural. I love this length. It's perfect for the summer, and this wig definitely has my approval. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please.
If you guys want to see more hair reviews, it's you guys that keep me going. It's, you know, the views, the comments, the likes, and messages that I get from you guys. If you guys want me to show you guys another wig review, please like this video. It's just great. Like, I love it. That's all I have to say. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Never gonna show.